Hello everyone, this is Thiago and I will show you today how to edit pictures. And this what you are looking is my smartphone screen, and a bunch of people ask me how I do my editions and which application, etc. This one is very easy, very fast, and I will show you a little bit how it works. So I press open, choose any print screen. First step, you're gonna take a print screen or any kind of photo from your cam. Also, you will upload on Google Drive or maybe in Dropbox, download to your phone, and then step number 2 is open the photo in this application. The application that I'm using is the Snapseed, and I will show you how I will edit this print screen. First, after open it, I will select. Sometimes I select one of those presets. I will pick the accentuate. Press V. Now I will use the HDR scape. Intenso. Let me see. Let's cut a little bit. Let's move some bright. Very realistic. That's a blur. It's very easy and has such a nice effect. The colors, I think that we can adjust a little bit. And that's it. I export this image as JPEG, and then I upload on Facebook or any kind of media. So that's it. If you like it, please push the button that you like it. If you don't like, dislike, and follow me. Follow me on my channel. I pretend to upload other videos with information about aviation, technical information about the 737, and that's it. Sorry my English, and see you next time.